So today we are going to be making some smoked barbecue chicken. So let's pull out all our ingredients together so we can get our chicken ready. For our smoked barbecue chicken, we're going to need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken thighs, some barbecue sauce, some mustard, and some barbecue seasoning. Before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also enable notifications and you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. So now, back to our recipe. So the first thing I like to do with my chicken chicken quarters, or thighs. Yeah, they're thighs. It's just been one of those mornings. I like to clean up some of the extra skin that's on them before I get started. And this normally only takes a few minutes. And then once I get this all done, then I move on to getting the seasoning ready for them. Okay, so now that we've got our chicken all trimmed up, so now what we're going to do is we're going to just put a little bit of mustard on them as a binder. And we're going to coat both sides of this with the mustard. And if you're worried about it giving any kind of extra flavor to the chicken, it won't. It's just going to be used as a binder. Now, if you don't want to use mustard, you can use something like a hot sauce. You know, totally up to you. All right, now that we've got mustard all over our chicken, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put on our grilling and barbecue blend. I've got a honey rub, and you're gonna want to go very heavy on this. And we're going to once again do both sides. And we're going to also press it into the meat. Just a little light on this one. All right, now that we've got our chicken all seasoned up and ready to go, let's get over to our pellet smoker. All right, so we've got our smoker on its smoke setting, and we've gotten this preheated. So now we are going to just put everything on the grill. we're going to let this smoke for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we're going to get the temperature brought up. All right, so this has been going for about 45 minutes, so now we are going to turn this up to 275, and we're going to let this go till it reaches an internal of about 145, 150. Okay, this has been going for about an hour at 275. So let's check temperature on our chicken. All right, that was about 150. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to put some barbecue sauce on them and let them go for about another 10 minutes. All right, so everything is ready and done, and we pulled it off of the grill. So we're going to get us a couple of pieces of chicken. Oh, if you could smell this right now. And we're going to serve this up with a couple of pieces of garlic toast, not garlic bread knots, and with some baked beans, some barbecue beans, and a little bit of potato salad. So I hope everyone has enjoyed the video. New videos are posted every Tuesday, and as always, be nice and be kind, because it could make someone's day.